Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got something super exciting to talk about: DJI's brand new game changer in the world of compact drones, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. After the massive success of the Mini 4 Pro, DJI is back with even more powerful upgrades packed into a tiny sub 250-gram drone SO. In this video, we'll cover its full specifications, top 10 features, its release date, and of course, how much it's going to cost you. Full specifications: weight, 249 grams, camera sensor, 1-inch CMOS sensor, photo resolution, up to 50 megapixels, video resolution, 4K at 120 frames per second, 6K at 30 frames per second. Aperture, f1.7, perfect for low-light HDR video. True 10-bit HDR support. Flight time, around 45 minutes on a single charge transmission. OcuSync 4.0 with 20 kilometers max range, obstacle avoidance, 360-degree omnidirectional sensors, wind resistance, up to level 7. Top 10 features. Massive camera upgrade, a 1-inch sensor on a drone this small is crazy. Expect crisp detail, dynamic range, and pro-grade low-light performance. 0.6K video recording. Yes, you heard that right, up to 6K at 30 frames per second. With buttery smooth 4K at 120 frames per second for slow motion lovers. True omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Unlike its predecessor, the Mini 5 Pro now has 360-degree obstacle sensors, giving you better protection during complex flights. Extended 45-minute battery life thanks to optimized aerodynamics and a more efficient battery. You get 45 minutes of flight time. That's one of the longest for a mini drone. OcuSync 4.0 transmission, DJI's latest tech, gives you ultra-stable video feed up to 20 kilometers with minimal lag and crystal clear 1080p live view. Improved wind resistance. The Mini 5 Pro can now handle level 7 wind speeds, meaning it's stable even in rougher outdoor conditions. Advanced Focus Track 3.0, active track, point of interest, and spotlight modes have all been refined. The tracking is now smoother and more intelligent than ever. Vertical video mode for social media, flip the gimbal and shoot. In true portrait mode for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok, no cropping required. 10-bit HDR in night mode, capture jaw-dropping sunrises and night landscapes with 10-bit HDR video, preserving incredible colors and details in shadows. Modular design and accessory ecosystem. DJI is also launching snap-on ND filters, propeller guards, and a new compact RC controller with a larger, brighter screen. Release date and price. Release date. DJI officially launched the Mini 5 Pro on July 9th, 2025, and it's already available for order in most regions. Shipping began just a few days later. Pricing. Here's the breakdown. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Drone only $899. Are you planning to upgrade from your Mini 3 or 4? Or is this your first DJI drone? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, drop a like, share it with your drone-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and drone coverage. Thanks for watching.